One of the best ways to have your course really stand out is to add images, especially images that you've created. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use PowerPoint to export images for our course. To follow along with this example, go to ECU Canvas Commons and download the Template Builder Toolkit. It'll contain the files that you need, including the banner image template file that I'm using right now. Once you have that open, let's create a new slide. The first thing that we want to do is add a background to this new banner. So I come down to the background section and choose this or another image that you can add from the internet. Once you've found the image you like, copy it, return to the banner image, and paste it in. We're going to follow the same sequence of copying and pasting many times over. The next thing that I want to do is add an overlay. This is optional, but it can create a nice feel for your banner image. Once again, I'm going to copy it and then paste it right over top. As you can see, there's a slight texture to this as apart from the wood. If you want to change that and make it more or less transparent, you can go to the Format Picture section, click on the Image button, and change the picture transparency to make it more or less pronounced. I think that looks fine. The next thing I want to do is add a banner or a gradient. I think for this one I'm just going to use the solid gradient with the ECU colors. I've copied it, now I come back up, and I paste it onto my new design. Now we're just about finished. I want to add an icon, so I come down to the icon section, or again, find one from the internet. Copy it, return to mine, and paste it in. I can also resize it and add any additional elements that I would like to make it better. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to type in any text. I'm just going to come and copy some text that's already been made and put it right into my banner image. Exporting your finished banner is simple. Simply come over to your File menu, choose Export, select the file type, either PNG or JPEG, and save the current slide only. Once you've done that, save it where you wish and click Export. So that's it. You can use the same method to create banners, buttons, and other images for your course.